Autumn is here and we are all set to run to the hills in this pleasant weather. Traveling between the dense forests and the tortuous routes is what keeps us away from this daily hectic life during this time. Being a mountain chic, I always search for the reasons to pack my bag, get on the road and run to the mountains. Just like that, for all the mountain lovers and travel freaks, I got you a new spot to trip, which is the hidden and peaceful paradise of Himachal, that is Chail. Merely 2 hours drive away from Shimla, Chail is a quiet hill station tucked in the lap of nature. A heaven for those wanting to escape the mind-numbing restlessness of city life. This lovely town was a former summer retreat for the Maharaja of Patiala. Dining at a lake restaurant, walking on the highest cricket ground in the world and listening to the chirping of birds in the Chail Wildlife Sanctuary. There are a lot of other lovely experiences you can have at the popular places to visit in Chail, Himachal Pradesh. We started our journey from Delhi and took a road trip to Chail, which is about 345 kilometers away from Delhi. Out of the blue, after about 7 hours of traveling, we were attracted by a small lake of Himachal which is named as Sadhupur Lake. Sadhupur is a small village in Himachal Pradesh between Chail and Solan. The highlight of this place is the lakeside camps and cottages at Sadhupur Lake. Our first night stay of the 4-day trip was at one of the lakeside camps. One night there cost about Rs 1500 for a single room. We had the night of our life as we dipped our feet in cold lake water, enjoyed the breezy weather and lush green surroundings. There are many camping sites for campers and hikers, so camping in Chail is the most sought after activity for enthusiasts. Woke up with a scenic view on our very first morning and it was time to change our stay location. Our next day was at Kanishka Retreat Resort in Chail. They have spacious rooms and bathrooms to offer with a serene view of flower-filled meadows, misty woods, flowing river, and the flaming sunset. The resort is situated in between the dense green Deodar forest, which is a perfect location to get peace with beauty. Chail is not only a place for trekkers but also for those who are often seeking spirituality. Chail offers a few sacred places like the Kalika Tibba temple. About 5 kilometers away from our hotel, we traveled through the twisty road surrounded by tall deodar and pine trees. No trip to Chail is complete without visiting Mata Kalika Tibba. This temple is situated at the top of a hill and, as the name suggests, the Kalika Tibba temple is dedicated to goddess Kali. Apart from Mata Kali, the Panchmukhi Hanuman, Lord Ganesh and a Shivling are also present inside the temple premises. Offering prayers at this secluded spot provides one with some alone time and peace away from the crowded touristy places. Kalika Tibba Mandir is covered with huge white walls, and once you reach the top, it is a very peaceful, calm and scenic place with a breathtaking view of hills and valleys. You can see the town sprawl as well as the Chur Chandni and Shivalik range from the temple. As soon as we entered the temple, it started raining heavily with heavy hail falls, which became a problem for us to travel to our next destination. But we didn't lose our hope and somehow managed to keep on going to our next location. Our next location was none other than Chail Palace, which is the most famous place to visit in Chail. The palace was built in 1891 and it is also known as Maharaja Bhupinder Singh's Palace, as it is where Maharaja Bhupinder Singh shifted to after his expulsion from Shimla. The palace has been converted into a premium heritage hotel which offers a variety of accommodation options like suites and cottages. The palace offers a spectacular view with a huge lawn where most of the pre-wedding shoots are going on these days. It was late at night and it was time to go back to our hotel and end our Chels trip. If you are also planning a road trip to this place, you can follow a route from Shimla to Kufri and then Kufri to Chel. By train, Kalka is the nearest railway station located at a distance of 81 kilometers from here. One can take a bus or a taxi to reach Chel. By air, the Jabarhatti airport in Shimla is closest to Chel. Located at a distance of 72 kilometers from the airport, one can take a bus or a taxi to reach Chel.